you are seeing right now is the SML Upstream Central Data Facility Center.
Oh, you set it up already?
Yes,
it's
everything.
Ready.
It's 95% ready.
Okay.
The upstream and the solid mineral, the gold, SML Nova. This is the upstream. So at current, we have 3 FPSOs running. FPSO Ivan Setamels, FPSO Kwame Nkrumah, and then FPSO John Ajikunkufo. So what we have, if you look at this, we've sectioned it into 2. This is the picture for the FPSO. We have the other section where GRA has interest to know that's when the petroleum product is, the crude oil is extracted and is being separated. The crude oil that comes to storage, the hydrocarbons, that's where GRA has interest in to know, to meter, to know how much has been extracted and stored and how much is being taken off so we can claim the royalties in real time. We are going to monitor that when we start the operations. So together with the offtake manifest and all the other monitoring documents, we give to GRA and they are able to, make their own decisions about what is happening.
What is it about your services that's so unique that others can't do?
A lot.
What makes you stand out?
A lot. So the first one is that we are the system we have deployed, the technology we have brought is the first of its kind. We partner with Honeywell in Houston, America. When we presented what we needed, they told us point blank, we've not done this for anybody in the world.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because, for instance, in the downstream, they are privately owned. The infrastructure is different. No 2 depots in the downstream have the same architecture. That means when you are designing for them, you have to customize it. So every deployment we have made in the downstream is customized. Now, when you go to other places,
so what are these? So sorry, go ahead.
So this that you are seeing are the field deployments. So this is the energy panel. We want to ensure that at every point in time, the information we are taking don't cut off. So we have solar panels, we have batteries, all of these put together. And then these are the flow meters, ultrasonic flow meters that we have strapped on the pipes. And they are strategically placed at the gantry, near the gantry, where the product is going to leave the depot. This means that no fuel leaves the depot unaccounted for.
Wow.
When we came into the downstream, because the infrastructure is already established, you can't intrude. So you have to do a non-intrusive. These are the forms, the technology for non-intrusive. So this is the ultrasonic flow meters. We also have the receivers and the converters that convert. The ultrasonic flow meters are measuring the pulses. So, but we have to be able to read it in a data form. So the receiver, this is a receiver, the one showing now. They are receivers that receive the pulses and convert them into readable data that can be sent into the data center for reconciliation purpose. Now, what is unique about SML is that we have fused the field information with the software, which we call our flagship software called SML Experian. We fused that together. What this is doing is that when the field information is collected as they are flowing, and this is automatic tank gauging systems as well. This is very important deployment that was needed in the downstream. It is recording, you see it's on the top of the tank. The big tanks we are looking at, these tanks were climbed by GRA officers every morning and evening to go and measure. They use dipsticks to go and measure the petroleum product, 20 feet tall. But because of this deployment, they don't have to go and do that anymore. It is to their discretion if they want to do that. What this is doing is that it is measuring the linear quantity of the product in the tanks. So at every point in time, in real time, GRA through SML knows the exact balance that is sitting in every tank in the depots across the country. That's the real time for that. Is also the flow computers at the depots. That is storing, it's a computer, storing the information and bringing it to the data center. What is interesting about this is that there is no company that is doing this for government where the field information like this is seamlessly integrated to the software. So once this is done, It sends to the data center. And the data, the SML experience, does the reconciliation